I am the voice of the Great Mother. I am the central sun of the Noble Father, sliding up and down that superhighway in my vehicle, and not the other way around. As I rise from the dead, the wheels of light awaken and travel inward and outward. The one eye of Ra blinks a single time to confer the blessing of crushed pearls and desert sand, to transmit the song which rights all wrong. The stones lie beside me, alive in their beauty. I scatter them in the forest, my web of stars. Encourage me in secret code. My family of light, tinkle your joy into my soul. Smooth, clear quartz, the jade green of Tara, the deep red of bone marrow, of earth, the rosy pink of the heart womb. Slanting moon collides with the sea. My hawkman journeys across galaxies, but returns eagerly to me. I hear his wings against the sky. Wha, 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 wha. Though his voice is silent. He presses himself along the length of me, his mouth on mine, our hearts conjoined. We travel together through crystalline temples, each one blooming into night, into eruptions of pleasure, of clear seeing. Surprising majesty wraps us in a tender blanket of sacred. Awakened magic of the golden chalice melts all resistance. Loosening sorrow, the river of life propels the flying carpet of truth. The trees grow angled on the side of the hill, poised in mid-flight, barely held from toppling over by their faultless roots, stuck into the earth like gnarled dinner forks of the giant who stole the hen who lays the golden eggs. The precious map was consumed in the flames, the conflagration of all plans, the map of the legendary future, which doesn't exist. We are only left with the ashes of this moment. We learn to speak while remaining silent, move while remaining in stillness, view the passion play with empty eyes, die to the light in your heart and know nothing. All else rests upon this.